Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do is give you a friendly reminder on today's episode to do up some tasks for the SyncAI. So this is a new project. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, but what I want to do on this channel is not only educate you, keep you up with some of the latest Cardano / crypto news, but I want to get you in on projects early, and there is a potential opportunity here. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment whatever questions you have regarding cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Okay, so right now we are August 15th of 2024. By the way, I'm probably in Vegas right now. So the Moose is attending Rare Evo. So I'll be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'll get to meet Charles potentially, Crow, all the top guys in Cardano. So that'll be really nice. What I want to get into right now is an opportunity. So there are some projects out there that we can get early on. So I've spoken about Meld. I've talked about Copy pretty early. Definitely Copy very early. Meld just hasn't moved much in price, but a lot has been built. Okay. Now there's this project called SyncAI, and I think there's a lot of opportunity. So if you guys want, use the link tree. This is how you'll get to this page. So if you guys go to the link tree, okay, you can scroll down under new projects. Tokyo Wallet's good too. So download that app. I'm going to be doing a specific video on it. I'm doing a ton of videos now because I'm going to be gone this weekend. Get you guys organized. Hit on SyncAI Network. And what this is a, I guess you would call it like a AI powered messaging for Web3. So you can imagine that we're pretty limited in the way that we can communicate with one another and have it tied through, a digital representation on the blockchain. Well, that's where SyncID comes in. So I saw this online and I'm like, you know what? We can get in early on the project. I don't know how well it's going to work. I don't know the team, but this is what I do know. What I do know is that the Moose needs to get to the top of the leaderboard. And if you hold NVL tokens, you can get even more rewards. So that's one thing you guys can do as well. So what you do is you connect your wallet. I've already done a video on this. You connect your Twitter, and I created my cryptomoose.sync. And what you can do is you can begin to fulfill these tasks. Okay, so here we've got task complete. I'm currently 31 out of 600, 36. So we're going to get that up. And every day they have new tasks that you can do. Basically, it's a post. They just want you to post, share the project. So as they're making partnerships, as things roll out, and I believe we're going to see a generous airdrop potentially. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do, I already have it tied in. We're just going to like this post. Okay. So I already got my Twitter synced up here. So if we hit like, now if we go back, task completed. Now we can retweet this post. Okay. So there we go. SyncAI, repost, perfect. And I wouldn't be sharing this if I didn't actually believe in this project, or at least had some potential. Again, I don't know the team. I don't know if this is going to make money, but it could. You could be in early. So SyncAI, Omnichain Interactions Built Layer. So this is a post for their vision formed over 6 months of research. By the way, I've done a more in-depth video. Check it out. Be like, great stuff. I'll keep it general for now. So then I can view my post. And then I'm just going to paste that here. You guys can see. Boom, submit. So I'm going to climb the leaderboard a little bit. So I assume some people will be forgetting and my position should continue. And I do have that nice boost. So if you guys hold some NVL, I think that's all you have to do is hold some NVL. You also connect your wallet, and that's how it works. So let me talk a little bit about the project. So that's how you can maximize your XP rewards. So again, guys, there are some opportunities that come up where you can get in early on a project. You can, you could potentially get in on something that's going to be massive in 4 or 5 years. And that's what we're talking about here. So SyncAI, a unified communications network that delivers user-centric architecture with abstract programming. So again, you can like send voice messages and, ask for payments. You've got here, let me show you this one. This is pretty sweet. So to give you an idea, you have your Sync ID, all right? So you have like WhatsApp, your Twitter, and you have your Cardano wallet. And this is a way that you can verify, okay, your identity layer. And then here you've got your dispatch layer. So you'll get your notifications, chat functions, solve queries. Then you've got your smart contract. So you can see how with blockchain, we're going to see a lot more interoperability. But this is a way in which really you're going to be able to connect, right? And send messages. Like you can imagine that, say you send somebody an invoice for $100, a couple hundred ADA, and they send you a message like, hey, sending it to you, or hey man, what do you think about this? And you could like do business using this, and it's all ID protected. So it's really cool. So DPIN network on Cardano, enabling communications between users, dApps and blockchain. So I'm going to get better at being able to speak the language of this. But guys, definitely go to the homepage, go to the Sync Club, and try to position yourself on the leaderboard, right? I got a couple of referrals. Use my referral link. If you use it, you're going to help with the channel, okay? So that's what you do. You just sync things up. SyncAI. Also, guys, I do want to remind you again, I will be attending Rare Evo. So this is a big deal. I will potentially meet Charles. I'll potentially get to meet Robert Kennedy Jr. That'd be kind of cool. And, ultimately, I'm just there to network, connect with people, tell them about Crypto Moose, learn a lot more myself. I'm basically a beginner at all this stuff. So, there's going to be a party. And yeah, let me know, guys. Like, look at all the projects that are going to be there. So, by the time you're watching this video, I'm probably already in Vegas, smoking a cigar, hanging out with the nerdy crypto boys. So, that's all we got, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.